Viewers, welcome back to our Primavera P6 tutorial videos. Today we will learn about OBS. OBS means organizational breakdown structure. Viewers, for any project you must have a team that will execute this project, and in Primavera you have to assign this team to your desired project, because whenever you are planning for each activity or for each WBS, you should assign a management or a team or OBS, so you can track, or if you can feel any difficulty in such activity, you will Primavera will tell you that this activity is linked to this team. So this is too much beneficial. So viewers, what is OBS in Primavera P6? OBS stand for Organizational Breakdown Structure. It is hierarchical structure used to organize and categorize project database on the organizational unit responsible for executing the work. The OBS typically mirrors the organizational structure of the company or team project. Viewers, this is the definition of OBS. In short form, OBS mean a team that will execute the project, and you have to first of all you have to make a team, your OBS, and then you have to assign this team to your project. This is a very simple process. Viewers, you to make OBS you have to go to enterprises, and when you will click on enterprises you will see there is OBS. In short form, this is OBS. Click on this. When you will click on this, a new box will appear. In this you can see there is a project manager, because every time there is a default OBS present in this box. If you try to delete it, cannot delete this row. There must always be at least one OBS row. So what you have to do, you cannot delete it, and you cannot make a new OBS. Just you have to edit it. You can edit it as per your requirement. As in our project, we have a project manager, and under this project manager we have construction manager, a QC engineer, and under construction manager we have site engineer, supervisor. So what will we will do, we will add the other team member under project manager. So just click on project manager and go to add, and add here construction manager. After construction manager, you want a site engineer who will report to construction manager. So add a construction site engineer. So I have added site engineer, but look, this site engineer is not under the construction manager, but it is directly under project manager. So what we have to do, we have to select site engineer and go here and click this. After that you can see site engineer is now under construction manager, means site engineer will report to construction manager. Now I have to add a supervisor who will work under site engineer. So just click on site engineer and click add. Here you can add supervisor. After supervisor, there is the same thing, that supervisor is directly reporting to construction manager. You can uh, assign supervisor under site engineer by clicking this. Now yours, this team construction manager is complete. Under project manager there is a construction manager, and construction manager have a site engineer, and site engineer have a supervisor. Now I have to add a another QC department, QC engineer. So what we have to do, we have to add QC engineer. I have added a QC engineer, but I want this QC engineer who is directly reporting to project manager. So what we have to do, we have to select QC engineer and then click on this arrow. One time, second time. Now this is under construction manager, but I want, sorry. Now this is under project manager. You can see from here, this line is meeting with project manager. Now under project manager there is a construction manager and a QC engineer. Now I want a QS who work under QC engineer. So I added a QS. So, but in this case, QS is directly reporting to project manager. So I have to click this arrow. After that, this QS is reporting to QC. Now, viewers, this is our team. We have make a team for our project. You can make your own team. You can make as low level as you can. Mean you can add uh, how many site engineers you want to add. You can add as per your requirement. You can add your supervisor, your surveyors, assistant surveyors, your staff, whatever you want to add, you can add in this team. The other thing, viewers, which is very important, because in Primavera you have to just click one uh, team, one team member from here. You can add based on activity. Mean for each activity you can add a uh, uh, and each OBS. Mean for each activity there is a each OBS, or you can add a person for whole project. Mean for my project I have just assigned project manager who will look after this project. I didn't go in activities, but you can also assign activities to OBS. This is a very good thing. And another thing is the main thing that always consultant or a designer or your client ask you, and it is the requirement of client. Whenever you go for project or you will submit any planning of the project, the client requirement is to submit the OBS chart, your organizational breakdown structure who will work the project. So we are on same window we can get our OBS chart. What we have to do, just click display, and here you can see OBS detail chart view. If you click on chart view, this is your chart. Your all requirement, your all OBS is now under chart. Now this is too much large and we cannot view whole chart in once. So let us do click again, and there is a zoom option, and zoom to best fit. Now viewers, this is little bit good, and under you can see there is a project manager. Under project manager there is a construction manager and QC engineer. Under construction manager there is a site engineer and a supervisor. The This is your organizational structure, and this is how your team will work for the project. You can print out here, you can print this. If you click on this print, you can see here is a print of this whole. And other thing that you can do, you can also manage the color of the boxes, or you can also change the view. This is if you go here, first of all select on project manager and go here. There is a children alignment, arrange children. If you select vertical, now your all arrangement is in vertical. If you click on horizontal, this is in horizontal view. If you go to align children, if you want to click center, they will in center. If you want them in right, they will be in right. If you want them in left, they will be in left. So it's upon you which setting you want. The Primavera will give you the same second setting. Also you can click on chart font and color. Here you can change the color of these boxes. Our boxes color is this. If I click on this, I can change it to red or green. So I have clicked green. Now my color is green. You can also change the background color. For same, go to chart font and colors. Here the background color is white. I change color. I select gray. Now viewers, the background color is changed. So that is how viewers you can play with this, and it's all about the practice. The more practice you do, the more you will learn. Viewers, after that we have completed our OBS. Now close it, and now the big thing is to assign this OBS to our project. This is our EPS, and under EPS, these are our two projects. This is Mabela Tower, and this is Bank Suhar. This is my project which is running, and this is Mabela Tower. That is our tutorial, YouTube tutorial on which we are working. So I select Mabela Tower, and here you can see responsible manager. When you will select the project and go to journal, and here Primavera is asking you which person is responsible for this project. Here you can change. Mean if you want to assign construction manager who will be responsible for one person, you can select here. If you want to assign site engineer for this particular project, you can select from here. So this is how, when you will double click here, and you will see site engineer is assigned to this project. But most of the time, a project manager is usually, if there is a big project, the project manager is responsible for the things and of the project. But in few cases, whenever there are small projects, so then other team members like construction manager or project engineer are responsible for the project. So it's upon you. You can choose and select from here. In our next video, we will learn how to add the activities.